Embarking on our annual tour, relying only on our motorbikes, we set off at 10:30 UK time on Sunday the 6th of July, sailing from Portsmouth to Bilbao. Our tour starts with a 32-hour ferry across the English Channel, around France and the Bay of Biscay. It was a long 2 days on the boat, but we managed to pass the time. Eventually landing in Bilbao 2 days later at 8 AM on Tuesday morning, ready to run through passport control and a quick customs search. We set off from the port on our way to our first destination, Lyon, over 200 miles away.
First pit stop, day 1 riding, day 3 trip. Just having a cheeky coffee, maybe a little sardine.
Look at that view on camera. Oofty. Wow, that's something, isn't it?
After a long ride along the A8 through the beautiful Parc de la Naturaleza de Carbaceno, we crossed over from Cantabria into Asturias to Moleda, where we took the N621 through the exquisite Picos de Europa, finishing up on the N625 where we arrived for our first stay in Leon.